A Valley woman says she'll think twice before choosing a health insurance provider for the year 2018.
As she says her current provider dropped the ball when she needed them most. Channel 5's Trace and Bragg spoke with a health insurance broker. He has some important tips that you can use.
The McAllen woman says she believed she would get better service when she agreed to pay over $400 a month.
The Obamacare is very important to me.
Marcia Muckowitz says she's grateful for the opportunity to provide her family with health care. She tells us in the past that's been difficult due to her husband's pre-existing condition. In January, she decided to purchase health insurance. She pays $425 a month for the coverage.
And because of the lower deductible and because it seemed to fit my needs.
She and her husband are currently remodeling their home. Last week, she slipped on some materials and injured her arm. To avoid making an expensive emergency room visit, she called her insurance provider to find an orthopedic doctor in their coverage. Muckowitz says her insurance provided her with doctors who refused their coverage.
So in all this time, I'm in a lot of pain, very painful, and I said I'm going to try one more time.
She says the results were the same. After being on the phone for 2.5 hours, Muckowitz decided to make the trip to the emergency room. We headed to an insurance broker to find out what key factors people need to keep in mind when shopping for the right insurance plan.
Who their primary doctor, what type of medications they're taking, do they have specialists that they need to see, and do they have a special need?
Sanchez explains those factors, coupled with price, are what insurance shoppers need to consider when shopping for coverage. He recommends insurance shoppers find a specialist before deciding on a coverage plan.
Call their office, speak to the billing specialist. Are you in network? Are you accepting this plan? Because I'm going to pick this plan. I just want to make sure when I go into your office, there's not going to be an issue that you can't see me.
Sanchez says it's also important to ensure you are purchasing insurance from a credible or government website to avoid falling victim to schemes. He also recommends that people choose a health insurance company with a local branch. Muckowitz says she plans on changing insurance companies in 2018. Muckowitz and other healthcare shoppers will have until December 15th of this year to decide on a new healthcare plan. In the studio, Trace and Bragg, Channel 5 News.